Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Monday, February 29th, leap year, or leap day rather. Time is 8:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I am back. I didn't trade much at all last week. So getting back into the swing of things now for this week. So let me get you caught up. I am short 10 contracts, 32.97, based off of kind of just a channel area right now. So half just came off at 87 just a little bit ago. So still 5 contracts short at 97, and we'll see if we'll break on down through the VWAP. So we've had a push up overnight, going into pre-market, and we broke through. This was all in just one shot. Broke through the value area low, penetrated the point of control, penetrated the value area high, and touched this moving average right here, 50-day moving average, and closed back down below it. So what that's kind of telling me, and then we're actually reaching the overbought area on the stochastics. What that's telling me is sellers are really defending this area at the moment, but playing it really conservative and keeping really tight stops. So my stop at 97 was only set at 02. So that was 6 tick stops, I believe. A 5 tick stop. So now I pulled half off, and I'm just kind of excuse me, play the extremes until we get a break in one way or the other, which should be coming up within an hour or so. Hour 15 minutes when stock market opens. So that's where I'm at the moment. So all right, guys, I'll be back and we'll see where we end up at. Okay, I'm pulling 2 off here at the VWAP at 80. Oh, let me see here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pull 2 off here. Okay, that came off 2 at 80. That leaves me 3 contracts short at 97, and stop is sitting at break even still. So we'll see which way we go. All right, be back in a minute. Okay, stop was just taken out at this point, so now I'm going to see if we'll push on back up here to the moving average or so. Value area high, kind of in area 3300, and I'll may look to short again. All right, be back in a moment. All right, guys, I got short at 20, 33.20 right here. A lot of sellers started coming in. Had a cluster, pre-market cluster right here, and another validation right here. So I think we're going to give it a shot here. 8 tick stop at 28, and at this point, just kind of waiting and see what's happening. Like buyers are still absorbing here, so if it hangs off in this area, then I'll just end up closing the trade. But as for now, a decent trade, so we'll see what happens. All right, be back in a minute. Okay, I just closed this trade at scratch. Don't really have much to lean on yet, so I want a little bit more confirmation, even if it means how worse feels. So, all right, I'll be back, and I'll let you know if and when I get back into it. All right, see you soon. Okay, guys, I got short at 25. I'm looking to pull half off at 15. If we can get on back down here. Stop is sitting at 33 or 34 at the moment. 1 tick above this here. So 9 tick stop, and we'll see if we can get this on off. There's still a lot of action going on here. I caught the. It was a lot of pressure coming back down. I was trying to catch the momentum, thinking it would have pushed on back down to 15 here, but so now we're just kind of waiting and seeing. All right, be back shortly. Okay, half just came off here at 15, and right here, and stop is sitting at break even now. So now we're just kind of in a watch and wait game. So in a good position at the moment. Would have liked a little better fill, probably right here at 30, but I didn't see it. That joker moved really quick, so I caught what I could. All right, be back in a minute. Okay, gonna pull 1 off here. See if we can get out in time. It bounced off of this moving average, and came off at 14, a little later than I wanted it to. That's okay though. So 4 contracts short, 33.25. Stop still sitting to break even, and we'll see if we're gonna push on through all this, or if this is just kind of a retrace off this moving average. So with a slope up, if I am to catch this is kind of a wick on a longer time, like a 60-minute chart or something like that, and that'll be fine also. But just utilizing risk management first and foremost. So kind of planning on that and see where we go from there. All right, be back in a minute. Okay, pulled another one off here at 33.05. That leaves me 3 contracts short at 33.25. We are really close to this moving average and trying to see if we'll penetrate below it and if we can close below it or not. So, and sitting against this VWAP. So it's kind of a critical area right here. It can still go either way. So, I'm liking the position that I'm in at 30.25. A lot of prints coming in right now. So, a lot of volume rather, so we'll see what happens. All right, be back in a minute. Okay, big cluster here at the VWAP. I'm going to tighten my stop to 18 right here. That will lock in 7 ticks. Yeah, 7 ticks. And then I'm trying to pull another one off at 95 down up in here. So seeing this big print here. So still kind of an indecision area, really close to the moving average right here on the 50 moving average, and then touching the value area high again as well. So just utilizing management still. All right, be back in a minute. Okay, stop got hit at 18 for 2 contracts. I still have 1 contract short set at break even at 33.25, and that one just got hit. So, okay, I'm out of this market now, and now I'm just going to regauge and kind of get an idea of what we're going to do from here. So, all right, guys, that's the end of this video. So it was a decent run on this one. If I hop back in another trade, it'd be on a new video, but over half profit for my target goal so far. So now just watching, see if I can get one more trade in to get a decent runner. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next video.